Indonesia were drawn to meet the 8-time badminton Sudirman Cup champions China in Thursday's quarter-finals, just hours after being beaten 5-0 by them. There is no rule preventing teams from the same group meeting in the quarter-finals, and unfortunately for Indonesia, they were drawn to meet the red-hot favourites of the competition. Elsewhere, Germany will face South Korea, while Chinese Taipei will meet Denmark and Thailand take on Japan. And Korean team manager Kim Hong-ji was content with the draw.
먼저 저희 8강 대진에 저희 8강에서는 저희 먼저 독일이랑 먼저 붙고 그리고 이제 독일과의 경기.
We are quite satisfied with the draw. In our section, Korea is playing Germany in the quarter-finals. If we get the win and make it to the semi-finals, we will meet the winner of Japan and Thailand. We beat Thailand 5-0 in the group stage, so we feel comfortable about that. In a team event, we are confident and we will always fight harder when we face Japan. So we will try our best to make it to the final.
Elsewhere, Indonesia or China will take on the winner of Denmark-Chinese Taipei in the semi-finals.